To Santa Charlie. Say hello, everyone. Say advance Merry Christmas. Si Amidasok. Why did you take off your hats, Charles? Don't bite your hats. No, Charlie, no. Put on your hats. Put on the hats. Okay, he doesn't want it. But you look so cute, Charlie. You say hello. You look so cute. Charlie, are you going away? Ayan. Nagpapaalam si Charlie kasi siya ay magha-holiday. Naka-empake na yung gamit ni Charlie. Magha-holiday siya sa bahay ng kaibigan ko. Say bye-bye, Charles. Charles. Charlie. Anong ginagawa na tong... Say bye.